Namaskar. On behalf of Goa Ayurvedic Medical Association, I, Vaidya Madhvilata Dikshit, welcome you all on the occasion of 7th International Yoga Day. Friends, government is planning for third wave of COVID-19. But let us hope that it should not come and it should not affect children. Even though children can't play properly due to COVID-19, lockdown is there, they can't play outside, and online classes are going on, TV and mobile is there, whole day sitting in the home, so their fitness is affected. We have planned this small video to improve health, immunity and fitness of your children. So let us practice yoga with children. Rest your hands on waist, neck exercises, left, right, upward, downward, neck rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise, shoulder stretch, rotation of shoulder, trunk movement, knee rotation, so body is prepared to do yoga. Let us practice Surya Namaskar first. Surya Namaskar is the best Indian exercise which give maximum body part exercise in minimum time period. Surya Namaskar improve digestion, appetite, proper elimination of waste products as well as for fitness and improvement of immunity. Surya Namaskar is a very good exercise. So do practice Surya Namaskar and tell your child to practice Surya Namaskar every day. Let us practice. I have with me Chaitanya Dikshit to perform Surya Namaskar. 1. Om Mitraya Namaha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Namaskar. Surya Namaskar includes almost 7 poses and it has forward, backward, bending and in rotation give maximum body part exercise. So it should be practiced at least 12 times by chanting names of Surya which is shown on your screen. Standing position posture to improve fitness as well as increase height of your child. Tadasana, palm tree posture. Stand erect. Inhale. Raise your hands to chest. Interlock your fingers. Exhale. Turn the wrist outward. Inhale. Raise your arms up above the head. Stand on your toes and stretch your body upward. Stay in this position for 15 to 30 seconds. Exhale. Keep your heels slowly down. Bring your arms down. Release the interlock. Come to normal position and relax. Another asana in standing position. Very good stretching and bending for fitness. Trikonasana. Stretch your feet comfortably apart. Inhale. Stretch your both arms sideways. Turn your feet which is outward at 90-degree angle. Exhale. Slowly bend to the outward side and try to touch your toe with the help of hand. Both the hands are aligned in straight line. Stretch the neck upward and gaze upward. Maintain the position for 15 to 20 seconds. Exhale. Slowly come up and relax. This posture should be practiced from both the sides, left and right. Sitting position asanas. Very good आसन बालासन or Shishu Asan. Sit in Vajrasan. Sit erect. Make space in between your knees. Raise both your hands to chest. Exhale. Bend forward. Rest your arms. Touch your elbows to mat and touch your forehead to mat. Breathe normally. Maintain the position for 30 seconds. Slowly come back to normal position. Very good asana for physical and mental health. Relieve stress, anxiety, as well as very good exercise for abdominal muscles and helps in elimination of waste products. Another very good posture in sitting position, Ushtrasana. Sit in Vajrasan. Slowly stand on your knees. Keep little distance between your knees. Right hand up. Exhale and place the right palm on right heel. Place the left palm on left heel. Inhale and push the hips forward. Maximum expansion of lungs and more breathing space is available in this pose. Very good backward bending and stretching of frontal muscles. It corrects posture deformities which come due to continuous forward bending on computers, etc. Slowly come back to normal position after maintaining for 30 seconds. Very good to improve immunity. Backward bending asanas on stomach. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach. Touch your chin to mat. Place your palms under your shoulders. Inhale. Lift your chest. Stretch your neck. Breathe normally. Maintain the position for 30 seconds. Slowly come down and touch your chin to mat. Relax. Repeat this for 3 to 5 times. Very good backward bending of vertebral column. Stretching of chest muscles and abdomen muscles. It improves lung capacity and corrects posture deformity. Bhujangasana. Dhanurasana. Lie down on the stomach with your legs and feet together. Bend your knees and hold the ankles. Move slowly with control. Stretch and arch the back, lifting the thighs and chest so that body becomes like a bow. Bow posture, Dhanurasana. Stretch the body. Very good backward bending, stretching of body muscles. Very good asana for fitness of the body. Try to maintain the pose for 15 to 20 seconds. Breathe normally. Exhale. Release the grip of your hands. Come down slowly and relax. Dhanurasana. Very good stretching, bending, balancing and good asana for fitness is Naukasana, boat posture. Lie down on your back. Keep your legs together. Raise your legs straight without bending at knees to 45-degree angle. Now lift your upper part of the body and stretch your hands in direction of legs. Gaze at your toes. Normal breathing. Maintain the position for 15 to 20 seconds. Slowly come down and relax. Very good fitness asana, Naukasana. Chakrasana. Lie down on back. Fold your knees. Keep them near to your thighs. Now keep your hands below your shoulders. Inhale and lift the body up. Make an arch. In beginning, rest your head down and balance the posture. After few days, raise the body up and make an arch like chakra, wheel, a wheel posture, chakrasana. Very good backward bending, strengthening of vertebral column and stretching of frontal muscles. Maintain it for 15 seconds. Slowly raise your head down. Slowly come back to normal position and relax. Chakrasana. Now pranayam. Dr. Amita Prabhu, member of Goa Ayurveda Medical Association, will perform pranayam and meditation. Pranayam is to control on vata as well as prana, which is the controlling entity of our body. In childhood, kapha dominates in body, and that is why children are very prone to respiratory disorders. Anuloma Viloma Pranayam, it helps to clear nasal path and also help to prevent respiratory diseases. So let us practice Anuloma Viloma Pranayam. Inhale from left nostril, exhale from right side. Again inhale from right nostril, exhale from left side. Repeatedly do it up to 20 times minimum, which help to clear nasal path. A very good pranayam for children, easily can be done. Other types of pranayam should be practiced under guidance of yoga guru or vaidyas. At the end of yoga session, meditation should be practiced for physical and mental health. It is very much required nowadays to reduce anxiety, stress in all ages. Meditation helps to increase concentration, makes body and mind calm and cool, and thereby improve immunity. Sit in any comfortable posture like Vajrasana, Padmasana or Sukhasana. Perform Jnana Mudra. Sit erect. Close your eyes. For beginners, they can play pleasant and slow music in the starting. Concentrate on your breath. Try to concentrate in between your eyebrows. Deep breathing. Practice it for 5 to 10 minutes and relax your body and mind. At the end, chant Omkar for 3 times, or even one can practice it for 21 times. Inhale deep and chant Omkar. Again. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you very much, Rutva and Rishwateli, for performing very nicely yogasanas with us. Friends, theme of International Yoga Day this year is Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family. So do practice with your child or children in at home this yoga session and maintain fitness of you and your child. Also improve immunity and prevent COVID-19. Goa Ayurvedic Medical Association wishing you very good health and very healthy year ahead. Thank you.